Hello kids, today we learn A to Z small letters. Red color small A. Yellow color small B. Pink color small C. Purple color small D. Light green color small E. Baby pink color small F. Sky blue color small G. Blue color small H. Brown color small I. Orange color small J. Dark green color small K. Red color small L. Yellow color small M. Pink color small N. Purple color small O. Light green color small P. Baby pink color small Q. Sky blue color small R. Blue color small S. Brown color small T. Orange color small U. Green color small V. Red color W. Yellow color small X. Pink color small Y. Purple color small Z. Kids, let's learn again small alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yay! Thank you kids. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.